Hello mga home dreamers! Ayan, so additional knowledge po about Newbel Townhouse po natin. Ayan, so dito po ay very comfortable living and convenient location po dito. So, along the highway siya, then mayroon tayong RFO or ready for occupancy units na available dito. Ayan po, and complete din po yung kanyang amenities. So, ano pa bang hinahanap nyo? Nandito na lahat. So, ayan, meron lamang po siyang 7,000 monthly na down payment. Ayan. So, reservation fee po natin ay 20,000. Ayan, accessible naman na establishment po na malapit dito ay ang SM Tansa, Pure Gold, Tansa, and hospital po, and school. Ayan po. And, like kanina, complete amenities po siya. Meron po siyang clubhouse, swimming pool, ayan, 24/7 po yung security, ayan, then meron din po siyang basketball court, ayan. I hope this help you to decide buying your home sweet home for your family. Ayan, bye! God bless! Please like and share po. Thank you!